Do you know in which zone you are living right now? If not, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you 4 zones in which an individual can live, and by knowing that zone you can know that where you are standing right now and how you are living your life. In the end of this video, I will give you some points towards moving to your next zone and finally moving in growth zone. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pegadia and thanks for tuning in here. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe to it, and let me show you the zones in which we can live. The number 1 zone is comfort zone, and most of the people live in comfort zone only. But we should not live in comfort zone if we want to achieve something significant from our life. So for identifying that you are in comfort zone or not, I will tell you 2 points. The basic point, that is, it is by default zone. If you have not tried to do anything significant, if you have not tried to do something that can change other people's life, that can make this planet better, then you are in comfort zone. And the most important thing by which you can know you are in comfort zone is you will feel safe and in control in your comfort zone. That's why most of the people live in comfort zone, because they feel safe and in control. They don't try to do something significant. They don't try to do something that can change other people's life. And they never try to do something better for this planet. So this is the identification of comfort zone. If you are right now in comfort zone, there is nothing good or bad about this if you are ready to move into your growth zone. And I recommend you to move into growth zone, because everyone can live their life in comfort zone also. But if you are living your life in comfort zone, then there is no significant result you are going to achieve out of your life, and nobody wants to live a life without any result. Do you want to generate some results out of your life? If yes, please comment below that I am ready to generate some results. I am ready to achieve some results out of this life. And the next zone is fear zone. There are 3 steps to move into growth zone from your comfort zone. Number 1 is, from your comfort zone you will move to fear zone, and after fear zone you will move to learning zone, and after learning zone you will move to growth zone. So these are the steps to move from comfort zone to growth zone. And what you will face in fear zone, and if you are not in comfort zone, then please identify yourself in which zone you are right now and how far you are from growth zone. The identification of fear zone is you are thinking about others' opinion. What other people's opinion matters for your life? Please think from inside that it is really important to take other people's opinion or not. If you want to live your life, please live your life on your terms. Why you are depending upon other people's opinions? Please don't depend totally upon other people's opinion, though there is clause that the feedback is very important. If you are taking feedback, if you are taking some learnings from others, that is there and that should be there. But don't think that what other people think about me, how they matters for your life. Nobody matters for your life except you. So please make your life beautiful. Don't think about other people's opinion. And if you are thinking about other people's opinion, you may be probably in fear zone. Next identification of fear zone is finding excuses. Sometimes what we do, we try to do something significant, we try to do some good work, but what we find, when trying to do that good work, we find some excuses to do that and we divert ourselves to another work. And that is also a symptom of fear zone, because you are fearing that if this work will not done properly, then what will happen with me? Nothing will happen with you. You have tried and you will learn something new, and that will change your life. If you are fearing of trying out something, then that is not a good habit. So please don't try to find out excuses. Do your best, and if you will fail, no matters. You will learn something that will help you in succeed in future very fast. And the third symptom of fear zone is lack of self-confidence. You doubt yourself. Why to doubt yourself? Nobody had born with some skills. Nobody had born with some achievements. Everybody has born same. How their growth happened, in which environment their growth happened, that matters. But why to doubt yourself? Sometimes what happens, we try to achieve something good, but we compare ourselves with other people's that already achieved that goal, and we find that we are not good enough, and that is lack of self-confidence. You are always good enough to do something significant. Please don't doubt yourself and do your work properly. You will succeed. And the next zone after fear zone is learning zone. If you conquer your fear zone, if you conquer your comfort zone, then you will end up in learning zone, and that is second last to your growth zone. And I wish that you will go in growth zone within few months or within few days if you are already not in growth zone. So the identification of learning zone is, number one is acquire new skills. When you conquer your fear zone, you know that I can do something significant, I can do something better. Then for doing that, you may require some skill sets, or you may already having that skill set. But if you acquire new skills to do that, then that is better for you. So acquire new skill, learn something new, that what you want to do, and that may help you in achieving your goal, achieving your target. And the next identification of learning zone is extend your comfort zone. Once you conquer your comfort zone, when you conquer your fear zone roundel, then you will find learning zone your comfort zone. Moving from learning zone to growth zone is also a difficult task. You will find some excuses also. So now learning zone is your comfort zone. And next identification is, when you are in learning zone, you will deal with challenges and problems. You will find there is challenges and problems in every area. Whatever you want to do, there are always challenges and problems in every area. But what you can do, if you are in learning zone, you are trying to acquire new skills, you are making learning zone your comfort zone, then you can deal with that challenges and you can deal with that problems, and you can come out of that challenges and problems. And next zone is growth zone, that we want to achieve. And growth zone identification is, if you are in growth zone, if you moved into your growth zone, then you require to set new goals, what goals you want to achieve, because you may be having some different mindset in your comfort zone and you may having some different mindset in your growth zone. So please set your new goals if you are in growth zone, and conquer objectives. If you are in growth zone, you will achieve what objective you want to achieve, and that is the very important part of growth zone, that you can conquer your objectives. And I am very happy that I am moving towards this growth zone, and if you are also moving towards this growth zone, then please comment below that I am also moving, and let me know how many of you are moving towards growth zone. And next is find purpose. Once you will move in your growth zone, you will find purpose, why you want to live, what you want to do with your life, and what is your ultimate inspirational goal. What is your goal from your life? You will find the purpose of living on this planet. So this is also identification of growth zone. And next is live dreams. If you are in your growth zone, you absolutely live your dreams, and that is also the best part as an individual, as an family, as an community. If somebody is living his and her dreams, that is a feeling of giving fulfillment as an individual and as an family or as an community. Now I want to tell you actions for every zone. In whichever zone you are right now, you can identify yourself by knowing the symptoms, by knowing the identifications in which zone you are right now. Actions for every zone. If you are in comfort zone, please take some action. How you can start taking action? If you are in comfort zone, you may be watching this video till now without commenting on this video that I will move to growth zone, isn't it? And if you are in that comfort zone, try to take some actions. Take small actions. In the initial stage, please take small actions like answering to the call to actions in the videos and sharing the videos, liking the videos. These will train your mind to do some action. And if you are in fear zone, please think about yourself. Don't think about other people's opinion. Why you are thinking about other people's opinion? Is that really matters for you? No. Other people's opinion really doesn't matter for you. And if you are in learning zone, I invite you to join Youth Info Hub, community of knowledge giver, where you can share your learnings, where you can put up your learnings in such a manner called MSI ecosystem. You can achieve financial and time freedom also along with your growth zone. You will find the link to join Youth Info Hub below this video in the description box. And if you are in your growth zone, then please start building MSI. Download MSI guide, multiple streams of income guide. You will also find the link in the description of this video. Download that guide, go through that guide, and if you feel something missing or if you want to know something more, then you can book one-to-one clarity session with me. You will find link on the last page of the MSI guide to book free clarity session with me. I will clear your doubts. I will open up a new perspective of your life. I will tell you how MSI ecosystem works, and by knowing that, I hope you will start building MSIs and you will achieve time and financial freedom. Best of luck for your growth zone, time and financial freedom. I am very happy that you are watching video till the end. Please take action as per your zone.